With the COVID numbers climbing up again, health officials say that new infections are happening among the most vulnerable, those unvaccinated and children who can't get the vaccine yet.
Right, yet. KRON 4's Teresa Estacio reports now on the latest numbers that show this pandemic is far from over.
Most areas across the region and the state, we're seeing a dramatic increase in cases. We've had a five-fold increase in cases in Marin since June 18th.
Dr. Matt Willis, Marin County's public health officer, on positive COVID-19 cases, ticking upward with children, those with compromised immune systems, and those simply choosing not to vaccinate, falling victim to the virus.
This surge is due to the Delta variant. It really is being fueled by, a variant that is more infectious than others, which is why, we're seeing increased cases, especially among unvaccinated people. This is a variant that is extremely good at finding unvaccinated people.
Dr. Willis says that they continue to see problems popping up among summer camps where families have traveled outside the area, dipping back into the area, but not following protocols.
We are seeing, little spot fires, clusters of cases around, camps over the summer. And in many cases, what we see is that it's an individual who may have traveled outside of the region with their family, a child, to many areas. As bad as, the case rates might seem locally, there's parts of the country that are seeing much more infection. The Southeast, Texas, other parts where we're seeing a lot more transmission, Arizona. And then coming back, that child may have been infected in the course of travel or while visiting relatives abroad, outside, who may not be vaccinated themselves. If they're not following the quarantine and they enter a camp or a setting where there's other kids, infecting other children in that setting.
We have to think about it this way. We are protecting our children who can't be vaccinated, and we're protecting those immunocompromised people for whom the vaccines may not be completely effective.
Dr. Maldonado, pediatric infectious disease and vaccine epidemiologist with Stanford University, echoes the message. Now is the time to continue to practice what we have learned last year to keep the virus at bay and not infect people like children who can't get the vaccine. Teresa Estacio, KRON 4 News.